You can be a big, strong guy or a little wee girl or a paraplegic or a very old person. It's no problem to jump all of these people because the whole thing about bungees, it's from the shoulders up, not the shoulders down. So it's inside your head.
Today, AJ Hackett bungees much more than a single bridge bungee. We've brought to life some of the biggest and most exciting bungees and swings in New Zealand and the rest of the world with a 100% safety record intact. And now it's your turn.
Over to the right hand side, give him a wave. Yeah. All right, brother. Big dive out. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. Go for it, honey. Yeah.